Hi children, how are you all? Hope you all are fine and safe at home. Children, in the last class we learnt exercise 4.4, isn't it children? Okay, and this class we are going to see exercise 4.5. Okay children, word sums, word problems we are going to see. Okay, we will go and see only, we will learn only 5 sums. Okay. The first sum, see what you can do. If you have page in a book, you can take page number 67. Children, you can take page number 67. Page number 67, and I am going to teach you the first sum. Understood children? Can you see this one? What's in the question? 119 balls are to be packed equally in 7 boxes. 119 balls are to be equally or to be packed equally in 7 boxes. How many balls will be there in each box? First we have to write the steps. Understood children? We'll write the steps and then we will do the division sums. Okay children? Okay. See, so how many balls are there? So what we have to write? Total number of balls. First sum. Total, first we have to write total number of balls. Total number of balls. Total number of balls. How many balls children? 119 balls are there. And number of boxes. Number of boxes to be packed. Number of boxes to be packed. Packed is how many boxes are there given there? 7 boxes, isn't it children? 7 boxes is there. And so what we have to find out? Number of balls in one box. So in one box, how many balls are there? We have to find out. So what you have to write? Number of balls in each means 1. Children, all should be all should know each means 1 box. Each means what children? 1 box. So what? 119 divided by 7. So we have to find out by dividing 119 divided by 17. We'll find out how many balls are there in 1 box. How many balls are there in 1 box. Okay children? Okay. We'll do the sums. See, this is dividend. 119 is dividend and 7 is the divisor. 7 is the divisor. So divisor is a single digit. So we can't take the single digit. See here 1 is there. So we can't take. So we have to take 2 digit. We have to take 2 digit. 2 digit means what will come? 11 will come. So it's easy, isn't it? 7 1 is 7. 7 1 is 7. So if you subtract 11, if you subtract 11 minus 7 means what answer will come children? What answer will come? 4 will come. So what you have to do? You have to bring down this 9. So what it comes? 49. So in 7 tables 49 goes. So 7 sevens are 49. So 49 minus 49 what children? 0. Understood? Now what's the answer will come? Answer will come. See, I have no space, so I am writing here. But what you have to write? You have to write below. Here only you have to write. Understood children? Okay. 17 balls. 17 balls will be there. Will be there. In 1 box. In 1 box. Understood children? 17 balls will be there in 1 box. And we have to keep full stop. We'll see the second sum. Okay children, the second sum. See, can you see children? 156 students participated in a quiz competition. 6 students formed a team. So in one team, how many students are there? 6 students are there. So how many teams were there? So how many teams were there? We have to find out. Okay children, we'll do the sums. Okay. So second sum. Total number of students. Total number of students. So total number of students, how many of them are there? Can you see the book and check how many students are there? 156. How many students are there? 156. And in one team, how many students are there? A team means one. Understood, children? So number of students formed in one team. Number of students in one team. In one team, how many students are there? In one team, 6 students are there. In one team, how many students are there? 6 students are there. So we have to find how many teams are there. So number of teams. We have to find the number of teams. So number of teams, what you have to do? We have to divide 156 divided by 6. 156 divided by 6. So what we can do? See, what's the dividend, children? 156 is the dividend and the divisor is 6. This also very easy. If you want, you can write the 6 tables. Understood? See, 6 ones are 6, 6 1 is 6, 6 2s are 12. So 6 2s are 12. So after 2, if you count up to 5, what will come? 3, 4, 5. What's the answer? 3 will come, isn't it? So 3 will not go in 6. So we have to bring down the 6. Now it becomes 66. So if we say the 6 table, 6 1 is 6, 6 2s are 12, what will come? And 6 5s are 30, 6 6 are 36. 6 6 are 36. So 36 minus 36, 0. So how many teams are there, children? How many teams? 26 teams are there. How many teams are there? Answer is 26 teams were there. Understood, children? 26 teams were there. Understood? These are single digits, so you can divide easily. Okay. Okay, children, now see the third sum. See, 594 pencils are packed equally in 33 packets. How many pencils are there in each packet? Each means what I said, children? 1. Each means what? 1. So, for 594 pencils are packed equally in 33 packets. So, in one packet, how many pencils are there? We have to find out. Okay, children? We'll do this sum. See, total number of pencils. Total number of pencils. Total number of pencils. How many pencils are there, children? 594. 594. And number of packets. Number of packets. How many packets were there? Number of packets? 33. Number of packets? 33. Number of packets? 33. And number of pencils in one packet. We have to find out what number of pencils in one packet. Number of pencils in one packet. So what we have to do? We have to divide 594 divided by 33. 594 divided by 33. So what is the dividend here, children? Dividend is 594 and the divisor is 33. Divisor is 33. So here what we have to do is 2 digit, isn't it? So what you have to do? 33 into 1. You can do it in the rough column. So 33 ones are 33. So 33 into 2, what will come, children? 66. And 33 into 3, what will come? 99. So what will come? So we can't put 99 also, we can't put here. 66 also we can't put. So the smaller number is 33. So what? 33 ones are 33. So in 59, if we minus 33, what answer will come, children? After 3, you count up to 9, children. After 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So what's the answer? 6. After 3, if you count up to 5, what will come after 3? 4, 5, 2, 26. See, 26 is smaller than the divisor. So what we have to do? We have to bring down this 4. So what it becomes? 264. So what will come? We have to do. But what will come? 33 into 8. 33 into 8. 8 3s are 24. And again 8 3s are 24. 24 plus 2, 26. So what will come here, children? 8. What will come? 8. 33 8s are 264. So 264 minus 264, what will come? 0. So what's the answer, children? In one box or one packet, how many pencils are there? 18. How many pencils are there? 18. So what's the answer? 18 pencils are there in one packet. Each means what I said, children? 1. So in one packet, how many pencils are there? 18 pencils are there. Okay, children, we'll go see the fourth sum. Okay, children, we'll see the fourth sum. 153 trees are planted equally in 9 rows. How many trees are planted in 9 rows? 153. So, what we have to find out? How many trees were planted in each row? Each means again what will come? 1 row. So, in 9 rows, how many trees are planted? 153. So, in 1 row, how many trees were planted? We have to find out. Okay, children? We'll see the answer. Okay. So, what we said, total number of trees, how many, children? Total number of trees. Total number of trees. So total number of trees, how many, children? 153. Total number of trees is 153. And number of rows, how many rows were there? Number of rows, how many were there? 9. How many rows were there? 9. And you have to find out in 1 row how many trees were planted. So number of trees planted in 1 row. Number of trees planted in 1 row. So what will come, children? What we have to do? We have to divide 153 divided by 9. 153 divided by 9. So what's the dividend, children? 153 is the dividend and 9 is the divisor. So what we have to do? We have to be thorough in 9 tables. 9 1 is 9. 9 2s are 18. It's crossing 15. So 1 9 is 9 will come. Isn't it? So 15 minus 9, what will come? After 9 you count up to 15. After 9, otherwise what we can do, see, this 5 will become 15 and this 1 will become 0. After 9, if we count up to 15, what will come after 9? 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So what will come? 6 will come. Isn't it? And we have to bring down this 3. Now it becomes 63. Isn't it? So in 9 table is does it goes? Yes. 7 9s are 63. 7 9s are 63. So 16 minus 63 minus 63, 0. So what's the answer, children? 17. So in 1 row, how many trees are there? In 1 row, how many trees were planted? 17 trees were planted. So what's the answer? 17 trees were planted in one row. 17 trees were planted in one row. Understood, children? You have to be thorough in 9 tables. Understood, children? Okay, children. See, now we are going to see the 10th one. See, what are the sums I given? 1, 2, 3, 4, and then this 10. Understood? You have to write the question. I didn't write the question. You have to write the question and then you have to do the sums. Understood? See what? 864 cartons of books. Cartons means what? Means papers. Cartons means money or papers will come, isn't it? Papers of books are loaded in 36 trucks. How many cartons are loaded in each truck? Each means what I said? 1. Okay, children? So, we will see the answer. Okay, children? Okay. So, total number of cartons were what? How many cartons of books were there? Total number of cartons of books. 864. And number of trucks. How many trucks were there, children? Number of trucks. Number of trucks is equal to how many trucks were there? 36. So we have to find out number of cartons in cartons of books in one truck. In one truck. What answer we have to write? 864 divided by 36. 864 divided by 36. So what's the dividend, children? What's the dividend? Dividend is 864 and the divisor is see, what's the dividend, children? 864 and the divisor is 36. Okay, here also 2 digit is there. So what you have to do? 36 into 1, what will come? 36. And 36 into 2, 2 6 are 12, 2 3s are 6, 6 plus 1, 72. Isn't it, children? So what again? 36 into 3. 3 6 are 18. 3 3s are 9, 9 plus 1, 108 will come. We can't put 108, isn't it? So what will come? 36 2s are 72. So 86 minus 72. After 2, if you count up to 6, what will come, children, after 2? 3, 4, 5, 6, 4. After 7, if you count up to 8, what will come? 1. So the 14 will not be divided in 36. So what you have to do? We have to bring down this 4 again. So it becomes 144. We have multiplied only 3 up to 3. So 36 into 4. 4 6 are 24. 4 3s are 12. 12 plus 2, 14. 12 plus 2, 14. Okay, 144. See, here also 144. So 36 4s are 144. 144 minus 144, 0 will come. So what's the answer, children? So answer is, what will come? How many cartons of books loaded in one truck? 24 cartons of books. 24 cartons of books. Cartons means papers. Okay, children, of books are loaded in one truck. Are loaded in one truck. Loaded in one truck. Understood, children? Okay, children, what you have to do? Okay, only 5. Only see, this one is 5th sum. This one is 5th sum. Understood, children? This is 5th sum. Sorry, I have put 4th sum. Okay, children, what you have to do? What you have to do? You have to copy down the question. We have to, what all the question again? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 10th sum. Understood children? So 5 questions. You write the question and then you write the answer. Okay children? We'll meet in the next class. Okay, bye.